Hello, welcome to another video. It's been a while since the last one. Today we have a power supply board from a Samsung 59-inch TV. The TV is completely dead. I've done some measurements already and there is no standby voltage. On these boards you have 13 volt standby voltage which goes out to the main control board, and that wasn't there. A couple of tests which I've done so far, and what I found is that this MOSFET here, which is the main MOSFET which creates the standby voltage, is shorted. You can see the readings there. If we have a look at these other MOSFETs, just to get an idea of what they should be, that's a standard reading for a MOSFET. Whereas this one, we're getting a short between there. And that is not correct, and there should be nothing when you reverse your leads. So I've done some other tests. There doesn't seem to be anything else which is shorted. So I'm going to look online and try and order this part. Probably be able to get it from DigiKey. Change it up and then see if we can get the TV going. I'm just going to remove this faulty MOSFET quickly. So it's a couple of days later and I received the replacement part, MOSFET. So we're going to throw it onto this board and see if we can get the TV going. First going to add some flux. Warm the board up a little bit. Just add some more flux so that things flow properly. And that looks good. Wait for the board to cool down a little bit and then we'll clean up the flux, give it a test and see if we have our 13 volt standby voltage. Then we can pop this back into the TV and see if we have any luck. Connections look good. Does look like this board has taken some heat, but I have tested the other components around there and they all seem good. So yeah. So we should have our 13 volts on there. Okay, let's plug the power supply in and first see if it goes bang. Power's in. No smoke yet. It's always a good sign. Which means 0 voltage. 12.8, nice. 12.8, nice. And the bottom one's ground. Perfect. So there's a very, very good chance that that's gonna get the TV working. I'll take this across to the other spot where I'm working on the TV because it's so big, and pop it in, and I will catch up with you later. So I'm gonna have to do this by hand. Fortunately, not sure how good the lighting is here. The board's back in place, and as you can see, as soon as I plugged it in, it switched on. I'm gonna have to maybe turn the set around. That's good news. Let me get the back cover back on, get the stand on it, and then I can show you that it's working. So put the TV back together, 23 screws later, and there she is, working cool. I have turned the backlight down. It was set to maximum. It's generally a good idea to not have it on full all the time. It'll make the LEDs last a little longer. But yeah, it's looking good. The sound is working. I've just turned it off so I don't get hit with copyright strikes. But I'm going to leave it running on test for a couple of hours. Make sure it's stable. Yeah, it's a nice save. 58-inch. Nice picture. Anyway, that's it. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. Ciao.